Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing, installing, testing and reviewing a nice device from Auxbeam. They sent me this hoodie too and I'm very grateful for it, as today is my birthday, or at least today when we are filming, and it's a very nice present from them. They also sent me some goodies, and I will start with this 5D-Pro series, which is a LED bar that comes with everything you need in order to install it, and we will install it on an SUV. And before we do that, I want to show you what's in the box and what you will get if you order this product. Straight out of the box, you get some one nice sticker. So we have this LED light bar instructions manual. We have a QR code for support, and everything you need to know is detailed on this instructions manual, which is made very, very nicely. Quality material, not just a plain piece of paper that was listed. So besides the instructions manual, we have the LED bar itself. You probably saw another bar like this on my channel. We installed one on a Toyota RAV4 back in the day. I believe it was around 2019. So this is the LED bar. Let me show it to you. We have 8 LEDs on the right side, 8 on the left side, and 2 big magnifier LEDs. You should know that on their website you can order this LED bar, but you can also order some bigger ones. This one is the smallest one you can buy. And besides the bar, we have all the necessary wiring. Very long, very nice, quality material, durable. All the connections have rubber protections. Yeah, we can install it on an ATV, on an SUV without any problems. And besides the bar itself, we also get some mounting adapters, screws, screwdrivers, some dual-sided tape, and of course some brackets. Everything we need is in the package. That's it with the unboxing. Right now let's go and install these. I will show you how it works, how big of a difference this makes if you install it on your car. Let's go. The installation for the LED bar is almost complete. We just have to do some holes here, and then we will connect everything to the battery and then into the dashboard. So the switch will be fitted somewhere in this area, and let's see how bright is the LED bar. Of course we will test it at night, but at this moment this is how it looks like, and it's very, very nice. Here we have some bolts. We can adjust the tilt, yeah, and using these brackets or the other adapting brackets, we can install it in different positions. This is the 12-inch 5D-Pro LED bar series from Auxbeam, a very nice LED bar that can be ordered on different sizes. It features the newest upgraded high-intensity Osram P8 plus AW3 LED chips, a central extra-large projector, spot beam and flood reflector combo on both sides, and the solid housing body effectively prevents the light bar from breaking when driving at high speeds. It has an IP68 all-weather waterproof standard. It can withstand any harsh environment. If you want to buy it, be sure to use the link in the video description. And for any other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section.